Alright, what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm going to do a short video showing the correct way to steer actually. Because I am with a student now, and I've had multiple students that for whatever reason, most of them are actually from the islands, and they learn how to steer the incorrect way, in my opinion, right? Some people might differ with that, but the fact is it's a very inefficient way to steer. They steer like that, like how, like, you know, they push and pull and like that. That is not the correct way to steer, right? The correct way to steer is called hand over hand steering. So you'll turn with one hand like that, and then you will turn with the other hand. You see, you put your hand on top of the wheel at all times, and you turn with one of the hands. See, turn with that hand, turn with that hand, turn with that hand. You understand? Hand over hand. And when I say hand over hand, I don't mean like that. You understand? People, I see people doing that. That is absolutely incorrect, right? So you turn with this hand, and then you put the other hand on the wheel, turn, and it's extremely efficient. You know, you can do it really quickly like that. Understand? That's the way. If you watch any kind of race car drivers steer, you will never see a race car driver doing that, because that's not the way to do it. Race car drivers are able to turn like that because, you know, that's the most efficient way to turn. You'll never ever see any professional driver doing this nonsense, but that's what they teach. Yeah, but yeah, we are doing it the correct way, which is called hand over hand steering. All right, so I hope that helps, but that is the way we do it, hand over hand steering, not the push pull or whatever you call it. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.